today. Magkukuha
Yun o,
tayo
yung sa white doon o.
ng flowers ni Nanang. Ito ah! Mi? For no reason, bakit hindi ko? Ay! Now, this is a holy theme, so we're gonna get white ones.
Kumuha ka ng gunting kan. Hindi mo na naman alam kung saan.
Kunin mo muna. Kuhanin na ganyan eh. It's so easy. So we're punuing this basket.
Just color white na.
Okay, do not say that this is illegal. This is our property, not your property. Now next up is this one. Oh, that's cute. We're getting ready.
Dapat madami.
Yeah, I know.
Yung mga nahulog, kunin mo na ah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ito pa mga nahulog, pwede yan. Hallelujah.
I think that's enough.
Kukunti pa.
That is a full basket.
Doon pa. Madami pa doon.
Saan?
Oh, careful. May ano yan.
Huwag na nga.